I'm recording a voiceover to explain what I'm doing during this demonstration video. So this is a client of mine. It's her first time using the Biodex Rehab Reactive Step Trainer. And what you can see is we're going ahead, we're strapping her into the harness just for safety. I'm explaining where the restraints are so she can reach across, clasp the chest harness, reach around, do the waist harness, and then of course we'll do both legs. Now, I always like to build confidence, so I ask her to go ahead and sit so she can feel what it feels like if she was to lose her balance and get supported by the harness. This is actually my physical therapist assistant coming in to observe because this is the first time he's seeing me set up a new client on the Reactive Step Trainer. I'm just letting him know, hey, we're recording, just don't block the camera. So we're starting with the gait training, pre-training routine. I'm just letting her get a feel for what the treadmill feels like. And now I'm explaining that once we begin, I'm going to set this to a continuous mode where the treadmill is going to provide a perturbation that will cause her to stumble or trip. She's going to have to try and regain her balance. She's not going to know when it happens. This isn't a time that I'm controlling it. And so right there, she got a chance to feel what that first perturbation felt like. Now she's walking. She just felt it again. She's giggling, kind of laughing. Now she's bending the arms, kind of getting into the groove of things. I'm explaining it again. Let's listen to what she has to say. So we'll do like 5 minutes. We'll use this as a little warm up. We'll just kind of play around with it. It primes the nervous system. It gets you, kind of awake and
it does. And it makes you want to grab on.
Yeah. So you can, but try not to.
Is this how you felt when you were doing the video? Yeah.
But you get used to it really quick.
Yeah.
And the more frequently you do it, the more control you get. What happens is in the beginning, you overreact. Everybody does.
Yeah.
But then you become more in control. You overreact less. And so eventually, like that. Perfect.
This is fun.
Yeah.